Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Today is a great day, everyone. Hope your all day is off to a very good start. Very good start. So, yeah, as you see, I'm trying to take care of some things. I don't want to act right, but it got to be put away. I did some more ironing and things like that last night. And, yeah, that is all. But guys, I am actually on my way. Today is Sunday. I'm actually on my way to do some retail therapy. Y'all know what it is? Y'all know what it is, right? I shouldn't call it that because that's an excuse. But that is what I'm on my way to do. And right now I have the truck warming up. Because I can't get no cold car. I cannot get in no cold vehicle. So that's what we are doing right now. I just wanted to come in early while I could and say good morning to you guys. Go check out the other channel, Simply Black Vegan. Y'all been doing it big over there. I've been putting up like a lot of more videos for y'all. So check it out, you know. It might be something that might interest you, you know. So I'm not going to tell you, actually it was a haul, but I'm not going to tell you like what I did on there. So I don't want to give that away. But yeah, guys, I'm actually getting ready to actually walk out the door, but I just wanted to come in and say good morning, brighten your day first, and all that good stuff. So if I can bring you guys along for some things, I surely will. You know I will. And I'll see you guys. Oh, you got dark. Okay, there we go. So outfit of the day, y'all, I got on my new cardigan, one of my shirts from the bins, and some Fashion Nova jeans that my daughter gave me, and my Ugg boots. So yeah, I really like this hat. And the fact is, the hat is wool, so my head will be protected. And I got my little pigtails hanging. I'm probably gonna straighten that up in the car, and then again I might not. That's how we roll. We roll naturally, simply natural. So guys, I will see you guys back in a little while. All right guys, I'm back. So I know a lot of you probably are like, Sonia, you're getting crazy now with going to the bins and stuff like every other week or every week. No, I will say this. There is a chance, a possibility that I may find 2 more chairs for the dining room table, because I told you guys, if you don't remember or if you're new here, the 2 chairs that I did purchase that are the same, they're actually really like dining room chairs. I'm just using them for side chairs. So if I come across them 2 more or similar to those, identical or whatever, I will get them and I will put them all 4 at the dining room table, and then I would sell 2 of my bigger dining room chairs, and I probably will keep the one smaller one. So I'm not sure yet, but that is the whole idea for me, to keep going if I have chances to go. And if any of my girlfriends want to go, I ride with them sometimes, or we'll just switch up and take turns, you know, so nobody's like always driving or whatever. So that is the plan. And if I find, like I said, any of the pillows, I'm trying to think what else was. The chairs, the pillows, what else? I don't know, y'all. Y'all know sometimes how we try to explain things, we get brain fog. Brain fog, yes. And I know my friends probably like, she said 9:15, but there was a train coming, so I couldn't. We're Success right now because all the lights are green, but it was a train coming from where I live, so I'm not gonna beat the train, so I have to let her know that. And yeah, like I said, guys, if I can bring y'all along, y'all know I will. I like to do that I really like to show you guys what these stores have. And like I mentioned before, I know I did go to the Goodwill on, I think it was yesterday. Was it yesterday or Friday? I don't remember, whatever day it was. the prices are getting ridiculous. I did score big though on that vase, because that vase actually was a Hobby Lobby buy, and it was originally $34.99. I got it for $3. That it was on there for $3, but I actually was able to use my college ID, which they give you 10% off. So what's that, like $2.90? I got it for. So that was cool. And the sheet was $1. It was actually $2, but yellow tags that day were half off. So I got y'all, I ain't even gonna tell y'all what I just seen. It's just not. People, oh Lord Jesus. Okay, but anyway, the sheet will end up being $1, and my sweater here was $2.49, because it was actually $4.98 with half off. So you're not able to use like the school discount on things that are already marked for half off. So yeah, so I just wanted to come in real quick and touch bases with you guys. Oh, we're sliding. Yeah, and I'll see you guys a little later, or like I said, when I can get in those bins, okay? When I can get actually in the bin store. Yeah, I might be getting all this stuff. A few dollars. This is $5. This metal. And then we got some shelving stuff down here that I might get for the I might get it for the back room. And then look at this cool table. Huh? Y'all already know what I'm about to say. Guys, get out here and get you some steps in. Enjoy this beautiful day. Even though it's a little chilly, I am dressed accordingly. I feel very warm with my hat on, with my boots on, with my gloves and stuff on. So, guys, I did really good at the store. I really did. I spent $16.62, and it would have been less than that for the bigger things that I got, but I still got a deal for the the set of 2 and then 2 other items that they gave me a deal on. So I'm happy about that, and I'll show you guys that. So we've been back for a good while. However, my girlfriend and her husband, they were going to what did she say? They were going somewhere to see the game or something, over her sisters to see the game. They had to be back by a certain time. So we made it back in time. We did all that in 1 hour and a half. We got there 10 minutes before the doors opened. We actually were probably the 3rd people in line, which was great. And I was getting ready, I just dropped her off, but I was getting ready to take, she didn't want the plaque that I had to give her. She said she liked it, but it was nowhere really she could put it in her kitchen, but she really liked it. But I said before I take it to I was gonna run that past her anyway, that's what I'm trying to say, before I took it to donation, because I know she had mentioned to me that she liked it. So that's okay. I'm gonna take it to donation, and then once I get home, excuse me guys, my nose. Once I get home and get settled, then I'll show you guys. I'm so glad I came here, because the thing was, after I dropped her off and I was getting ready to go to the donation bin, I said, wait a minute, I have to go past where I take a way to get to the park, so I'll just go ahead now. And I'm kind of glad I did, because it's better to take care of things earlier in the day than it's easy to procrastinate and put things off until later. But why do that when you're here, you're passing here, and just do it. So now I have that out the way, and I feel good about myself. I feel good about my day, and today is a good day, guys. Okay, it really is a good day. It might be cold, we might be having our problems in the world, but it's still a good day. So, is this my friend's son that I'm walking up on? I think so. But anyway, guys, it is a great day. And then also, too, just be grateful for every little moment and every little thing. That's all I can say. So, I think this is my friend's son. Jane? Hi. How are you? How you doing? I ain't got the camera on you. Okay. I'll see you guys. All right, y'all. I am back. Y'all, that was my That was my friend's son, and I got some bad news. This is so strange because I seen him before, y'all, when I was going to Lowe's, and I'm at the donation end, and I got some people back here. Y'all want to say hi, please? Y'all want to say hi to the vlog? Can y'all see them? You say hi, Mari?
I can look in the mirror with my hand.
You can see. So oh God, let me get my glove out. Yeah, so y'all, I seen him, and he told me when he was trying to tell me before that his mom passed away, and he said she went to the hospital. Oh, somebody donated diapers and everything. That's a blessing. But he said his mom, she went to the hospital like last April, and no, not last April. He said March, and she said she was having like church. I'm like church. She was having like what? No, I'm talking. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Say hi. They can't see you, so just wave. Okay. So yeah, he said that I'm gonna make this real quick. Then when I get home, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. But he explained to me that she went to the hospital in March, and she was complaining of she was having shortness of breath or chest problems or something, or just a shortness of breath. And then he said in May she passed. So that was around when coronavirus started. So I asked him, stop kicking that. I asked her that, do they think it was that? And he said he not sure or whatever. They didn't do no autopsy. And I'm thinking like, I didn't know why not, but yeah, that's why I cut off the phone. So guys, got the little ones, and I'll see you. See you guys shortly. All right, y'all. So real quick, we're gonna make this quick because y'all know how it is with them. So I got 5 things. I think I told you I spent $16. So the first thing I picked up was this. Why would you do that? The first thing I picked up was this. This is actually a shade, and I'm gonna put this one in the hallway. If you guys remember, in the back, this is gonna go back there.
I don't want you to call my nana.
Okay, well stop then. This is gonna go in the back on that light fixture, and it matches the other one in the hallway. So that was a great deal. So this is what they gave me for $1. And I also got, this is Hearth and Home, Magnolia Home. I don't know why I kept saying Heart and something else, but it's Hearth and Magnolia Home. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But this is a door reef, and I love the fact how simple. This is a door hanger. It's a door hanger, you guys. I'm gonna be doing my video. Stop. This is a door hanger, and I love the fact that it's black matte and it's very simple. It's different from all the other kind. So they gave me this for $1. I got this really nice cotton pillow. Watch the camera for it. I don't want it to fall. So stay. You can come over here. Come over here.
Look at you in the mirror.
Okay, but you can't touch anything.
Mari, can't see.
You got to get back away from there. I'm gonna cut it off and make y'all go back in the back if you're not gonna listen.
I can't see.
So anyway, I got this pillow for they gave it to me for $2.50 because y'all already know. Don't do that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Stop doing that, okay? You can come over here. I'm doing something. You can't do that. You can.
Or you can sit on there. No.
Okay, well stay over there. You can't touch this. So anyway, you guys. Y'all. I got this one for $2.50, and they gave it to me because of this. But y'all already know I'm classy, so she gonna fix that.
She's pregnant.
And then
Nana, she's 50.
Y'all, what is they talking about? Stop.
You pregnant?
Oh, she's 50.
Y'all, what in the world is going on? Hold on 1 second, y'all. Hold on. Excuse me?
She's 50.
What? All right, y'all. So let's get into the haul. To the things that I got. So this here is a shelf that's gonna go in the back room. If you guys remember the other shelf, I really don't like it because you got to remember it was at the other house in the closet. So this is gonna go in place of that. So it goes like. Hold on, y'all. It goes like it goes like this. I think it's really, really cute. But it goes like this, and it's really just missing one shelf. One of these. So I got all of this, guys, for $5. Real nice wood, really, really pretty, goes with everything. Everything has been wiped down. I got this nice Project 62. It's called Glass Cow Accent Table with an ebony finish. The only thing is wrong with it, it is missing one of these little circular screw things, you know, to give it some height. But I do know I have something like that in my toolbox, so that's fine. This was $5, and the thing I like about this is metal, and it's very, very light. I'm gonna put this in the back room for an accent table on the side of the couch, and I'm gonna be adding some of this stuff that I kept saying that I had in that little tray. I'm gonna be putting it, I don't know why I keep wiping this, disinfecting it, but I'm gonna be putting some of that stuff on here. I'll probably put that tray on here and set those, that orb and that tall vase in the back of it. And then I got this, which is wrought iron, Magnolia Home, Heart and Hand, Magnolia Home. This is an over-the-door hanger. I love the fact and the look of it. I like the structure of it. It's very simple. So I'm gonna remove the one that I have and get rid of it. And the shelf that's in the back room, we got it from, what did I say, Habitat for Humanity? We got it from Habitat for Humanity, so we're gonna probably take it back there, or if we can't use it in the garage, but we're gonna not leave it in here. This was, they gave me this for $1. I got this for $1 because he said he didn't know what it's for. I know what it's for though, y'all. This goes in the hallway. It is a light fixture. It matches the one that's in the hallway. I'm glad about that. So now we have a set. So this one is gonna go in the hallway. I got this pillow for $2.50. It is very beautiful, 100% cotton and wool. I'm gonna put this in here. I don't know where, probably in the chair, but this is so pretty. And the reason why they gave it to me for $2.50 is because that, and I can sew this, guys. So I got all of this stuff for $16, $2.50, $5, $1. The shelf was $5, so $5, $10, $15, $16. This was $17. Oh, yeah, I forgot something. Hold on. I got some plates. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. All right, guys, I'm back. I forgot. I was about to say, doing the counting. I'm thinking like, wait a minute. I know I had more than that, but I got these plates. I seen these last time, and they were selling them for like, how much did she tell me? They were trying to do them for like more, and I said I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna be in no hurry to, you know, grab these. But these are super, super cute. I can show you better up close and personal, but these are the Project 62. They're called Ravenna salad plates, and I need 2 more, but I said this is good. So this is what they look like. Really nice. Here's the name, and they just got that really pretty look and texture to them. So guys, that's all I got. I absolutely love everything. Get out of the way, baby. Okay, but you can stay right here. Come here. Come on. Come here. You want me to pick you up so you can talk? Guys, y'all. You want me to pick you up? Say something. They can see you. Say something. Now he don't want to say nothing. When I'm talking to y'all, they like all in the mix. But we're getting ready to have some dinner and everything. So, yeah. Y'all are almost ready? You almost ready? Stop playing with that. Stop. Are you almost ready? Sit in your chair. But they're going to help me prepare them something to eat. I got some French fries here. I'm about to start. And yeah. So guys, that is going to be the end of the video. I'm going to sit here and fix them something to eat. And guys, I will see you in another one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Hope you enjoys the finds. Always remember to love yourself so that you will love others. And this world will be a much better place. All right. Bye, y'all. Y'all want to say bye? Y'all want to say bye? Y'all want to say bye? Say, I hear you. Say bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
All right, y'all.